Cube Wealth is a simple app that helps you invest and grow your wealth with people you can actually trust. That's why Cube is a hot favorite among founders and senior management from well-known startups to large companies. Let me quickly take you through the basics. Once you sign up using your mobile number, you'll see a screen like this. Let's say you're here to invest in mutual funds. Just click the card in front of you and you'll be taken to Cube's quick SIP tool. Here, you can slide across risk levels and pick one that suits your needs. Then, you enter the amount you want to invest and Cube will show you the best options for you based on our mutual fund advisor Wealth First's recommendations. It's extremely simple, but if you feel confused at any step, just tap the video guide icon at the bottom for help. You also have the option to tap See All Investments on the Discover screen for a full list of investment options available on Cube. Here, you can scroll through the list or search for something specific. For example, if you want to invest in US stocks, you can simply type the term into the search bar and see available options. You can choose to buy stocks on your own or get advice on which stock to buy from Cube's award-winning US advisor Rick Holbrook. Another important feature is your portfolio summary. A simple cube face that shows your investment value in rupee terms, overall profit, and returns. You can swipe the cube to see amounts and profit for individual investments or tap View Summary to see your overall portfolio in detail. You can also go to the rewards section and invite friends to join your Cube crew. You will earn rewards whenever they invest. Users like Nirain have earned rewards like iPads, earpods, and IKEA water bottles. It's a great way to get your friends and family members started with investing and get rewarded at the same time. That was the tour. Now you're ready to go cube your wealth. Get started by investing with Cube and take the first step towards a wealthier future.